Welcome to your Maths Online class. Today we are going to discuss how to find the solutions of linear equations in two variables. In our previous class, we already discussed how to find the solutions by graphical method. Second is by substitution method. Next we are going to study third method by elimination method. Ready? Listen. Our first question, find the value of x and y by elimination method. Here given two equations 3x plus 4y equal to 10 and 2x minus 2y equal to 2x minus 2y equal to 2. Here how to find the value of x and y. Given two equations, this is first equation, this is our second equation. To eliminate, make any one terms are equal. Make any one term is equal. Here 2x, here 3x, these two terms are not equal. Here 2y, this is 4y, these two terms are not equal. Make any terms are equal. So here 4, here 2. Can you make it 3 in here? No. So this is 2y, this is 4y. Here you can make 4y by multiplying 2. So equation number 2 multiplied by 2. Then what is the answer? 2 into 2x, that is 4x. 2 into minus 2y, that is minus 4y. 2 into 2, 4. You got another equation, equation number 4. Sorry, equation number 3 by changing second equation. Ready? Then 4y, here also 4y. So equation 1 and equation 3. Just write equation 1, 3x plus 4y equal to 10. Next equation 3, 4x minus 4y equal to 4. Then equation 1 and equation 2, sorry, equation 3, how to eliminate positive 4y and negative 4y? By adding or by subtracting. If it is opposite sign, you can cancel by adding. If it is same sign, you can subtract. Ready? So equation 1 and equation 3, addition. Adding these two equations, so addition. Ready? So 3x plus 4x, that is 7x. 4y plus minus 4y cancel. 10 plus 4, 14. Then what is x? X equal to 14 divided by 7, that is 2. So you got x. Ready? You got x. Then how to find the value of y? By substitution method. X equal to substitute in equation 1, 2, 3. You can substitute any equation. I am substituting the first equation, equation 1. You can substitute any equation, no problem. So 3 into x2 plus 4y equal to 10. We know 3 into 2 is 6. 6 plus 4y equal to 10. Then 4y equal to 10 minus 6, that is 4. Then y equal to 4 divided by 4. Y equal to 1. Therefore, the value of x is 2 and the value of y is 1. Ready? This is the method of finding solution of linear equation by elimination method. Okay, next our second question is find the value of x and y or solve the linear equation. First equation is x plus y equal to 5 and the second equation is 2x minus 3y equal to 4. Ready? By elimination method. So here 2x, here x, this is minus 3y, this is y. So first step is make any one term equal. Any one term equal. So here 2, you can multiply it by 2, it will be equal. So equation number 1 into 2, or otherwise here 3y, you can multiply to here 3. Okay. So equation number 1 into 2, that is 2 into x, 2x plus 2 into y, 2y equal to 2 into 5, that is 10. So you got another equation 3. Then you got third equation from first equation. Then solve this second equation and third equation. Here 2x, here also 2x. So solve these two equations. Equation 2 minus 3. Addition or subtraction to eliminate 2x and 2x. Here 2x is positive, here also positive. So same sign, same number. Same sign and same number. How to cancel this 2x and 2x? By subtracting. If it is opposite sign, by addition you can cancel. So here equation 2 minus equation 3 or equation 3 minus equation 4. Large number minus small number. That is 10 minus 4 is very simple. So here equation 3 minus equation 2. What is equation 2? So equation 3, 2x plus 2y is equal to 10 minus equation 2, 2x minus 3y equal to 4. These two equations subtracting. Then 2x minus 2x is 0. Then 2y minus 3y. What is 2y minus 3y? That is 2y plus 2y minus 3y. Negative together, that is positive. So 2y plus 3y, that is 5y. That is 5y. 5y is equal to 10 minus 4, that is 6. Then y equal to 6 divided by 5. Ready? Then how to find the value of x by substitution method? Ready? Then y equal to 6 by 5. Substitute in equation 1, 2, 3, any equation. The simplest equation is first equation. So equation 1. Substitute. So x plus y, we know the value of y, that is 6 by 5. 6 by 5 is equal to 5. Then simplify. X equal to 5 minus 6 by 5. Then x equal to 5 into 5, 25. 25 minus 6, 19 divided by 5. Therefore x equal to 19 divided by 5 and y equal to 6 by 5. Then how to verify these values of x and y is correct? Just substitute these values in these equations. For example, here what is the value of x? That is 19 divided by 5. Verification. Just substitute these values in these equations. X, that is 19 divided by 5 plus y 6 divided by 5. Then what is the answer? Here LCM is same, so divide by 5. 19 plus 6, that is 25. Then 25 divided by 5 is 5. Correct? This 5. Next here 2 into 19 divided by 5, that is 38 divided by 5 minus 3 into 6 by 5, 18 divided by 5. Then 38 minus 20, 18, 20 divided by 5. What is the value of 20 divided by 5? That is 4. So it is verified. Okay. Therefore, the value of x is 19 divided by 5 and the value of y is 6 divided by 5. Clear? Okay. Next our question is x by 2 plus 2y by 3 is equal to minus 1. That is first equation. And x minus y by 3 equal to 3. That is second equation. Here divide by 2, divide by 3. That is very complicated. So just to simplify by multiplying. How to eliminate 2 and 3? By multiplying any number. Just to find its LCM. What is LCM of 2 and 3? What is that? Here it is very difficult to find the value of x because here x is to divide by 2 and divide by 3. How to cancel divide by 2 and divide by 3? By multiplying a number. Which number we have to multiply here? Just multiply the LCM of 2 and 3. What is the LCM of 2 and 3? How to find the LCM of 2 and 3? Very simple. Just write the multiplication table of 2. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, etc. Just write the multiplication table of 3. 3, 6, 9, 12 or 15, etc. What is the lowest common multiple? What is the lowest common here? 6. Ready? 12 is common, but it is not a lowest common. So, what is lowest common multiple here? 6. So, LCM of 2 and 3 is 6. So, here to eliminate its denominator, multiply first equation by 6. Then here into 6, here into 6, into 6. What is the answer? You can cancel 2 in 6 3 times, that is 3x. 3 in 6 2 times, 2 into 2y, that is 4y is equal to minus 1 to 6, minus 6. So, you got another equation, third equation. Next here divide by 3. How to cancel divide by 3? Just multiplying by 3. Here we want to find the LCM of 3. No. So, equation 2 multiplied by 3. Ready? Then here into 3, into 3, into 3. What is the answer? X into 3, 3x. 3, 3 cancel, then y. Here 3 into 3, 9. You got another equation, fourth equation. Then simplify these two equations. Okay. Here any common terms? Yes. Here 3x and 3x. How to eliminate 3x and 3x? By addition or subtraction? By subtraction, because same element, same sign. To cancel same element and same sign by subtraction. Ready? So, equation 3 minus 4 or 4 minus 3. You can do any method, large number minus small number, that is better. So, equation 4 minus equation 3. Equation 4 minus equation 3. So, here 3x minus y equal to 9. That fourth equation minus third equation. So, 3x plus 4y is equal to minus 6. Then subtraction. 3x minus 3x 0. Minus y minus 4y. Minus y minus 4y means minus 5y. Minus 5y is equal to 6 minus minus 6. Both the negatives will be positive. So, 9 plus 6, that is 15. Then what is the value of y? Y equal to 15 divided by minus 5. So, you got y equal to minus 3. Then how to find the value of x? By substituting the value of y minus 3 in any equation. So, substitute in equation 1, 2, 3, any equation. I am substituting the second equation, or you can substitute in third or fourth. I think it is better to substitute in fourth equation. So, fourth equation. So, 3x minus y, that is minus 3, is equal to 9. So, 3x plus 3 equal to 9, then 3x equal to 9 minus 3, 3x equal to 6, then x equal to 6 divided by 3, that is 2. Ready? Therefore, the value of x is 2 and the value of y is, what is the value of y? Minus 3. Is it correct? How to verify? Just to substitute in the equations. Any equations. Okay, I am substituting this equation. So, 3 into 2, that is 6. Y into minus 3 minus 12. So, 6 minus 12 minus 6. You can substitute any equations. Okay, clear? Okay, next we can do some reducible equation. What is my reducible equation? Listen. Here 2 by x plus 3 by y equal to 13 and 5 by x minus 4 by y equal to minus 2. You have to find the values of x and y. So, here in this type of questions, listen, here 2 by x means 2 into 1 by x, clear? Plus 3 by y means 3 into 1 by y equal to 13, and 5 by x means 5 into 1 by x minus 4 into 1 by y equal to minus 2. Ready? It is very complicated to find the solution of this linear equation because this is divided by x. Okay. So here just substitute any letter for 1 by x. Any letter. And substitute any letter for 1 by y. Ready? You can substitute any letter. Here I am substitute 1 by x equal to u. What is that? A letter 1 by x equal to u and 1 by y equal to v. Or you can substitute 1 by x equal to p, 1 by y equal to q. No problem. So here I am substituting 1 by x equal to u and 1 by y equal to v for find a solutions very simply. Okay. So here 2 into what is 1 by x? U plus 3 into v equal to 13. You got first equation. Next here 5 into 1 by x, that is u, minus 4 into 1 by y. What is 1 by y? That is v equal to minus 2. You got second equation. Then simplify. Ready? You can find the solutions by elimination method. There are one more method is there by cross multiplication method. That is very simple method, but it is removed from our syllabus. Okay. So how to find the solution? How to find the value of u and v? Ready? Just equate the terms. Here 2y, here 5y. This is not equal. Can you multiply any number here to make it same? No. Here also no. In this case, just exchange the coefficients. To make the coefficients equal, exchange marriage or exchange the coefficients. Exchange the coefficient means here 5. So this 5 is multiplied here. So it will be 10. And this coefficient is multiplied here. It will be 10. That means equation 1 into 5. That is 10 here 5 into 5 here into 5 here into 5. What is the answer? 10u plus 15v equal to 5 into 3 15, so 65. You got third equation. Next, these two multiplied here, second equation. So equation 2 into 2, what is the answer? 10u minus 8v equal to minus 4. You got fourth equation. Then here same terms. Ready? Exchange its coefficient. Okay. Exchange multiplication of coefficients. Then this is simplify. Equation 3 minus equation 4. Equation 3 minus equation 4. What is the answer? 10u minus 10u, 15u minus 18. Okay. So 10u minus 10u is 0. 15v minus 8v. So negative positive. So 23v equal to 65 minus 4, that is 65 plus 4, that is 69. So v equal to 69 divided by 23, that is 3. Ready? You got v equal to 3. Then how to find the value of u? So v equal to 69 divided by, v equal to 3. Substitute in equation 1, 2. You can substitute any equation and substitute in the first equation, equation 1. Then 2u plus 3 into v. 3 into v means 3 into 3 equal to 13. Then 2u plus 9 equal to 13. then 2u equal to 13 minus 9, that is 4, u equal to 4 by 2, 2. Therefore, u equal to 2 and v equal to 3. Ready? What is our actual question? We have to find x. We know u is 1 by x equal to 2 and v is 1 by y equal to 3. Ready? We know what is u? U is 1 by x, v is 1 by y. Then how to find the value of x? By taking its reciprocal, okay, or cross multiplication. You can do any method by cross multiplication. What is the answer? 1 into 1, 1 equal to x into 2, 2x. What is x? 1 by 2 equal to x. Here, or take the reciprocal, 1 by y equal to 3, then y equal to 1 by 3, or cross multiply. What is the answer? 1 equal to 3y, then 1 by 3 equal to y. Okay, next our question is 5 divided by x minus 1 plus 1 divided by y minus 2 equal to 2 and 6 divided by x minus 1 minus 3 divided by y minus 2 equal to 1. Very simple. How to rewrite? Here 5 into 1 by x minus 1 plus here 1 by y minus 2 equal to 2 and 6 into 1 by x minus 1 minus 3 into 1 by y minus 2 equal to 1. So here substitute 1 by x minus 1 by a letter. Which letter? U. And 1 by y minus 2 by a letter v. So substitute 1 by x minus 1 equal to u and 1 by y minus 2 equal to v. Okay, then 5 into u, that is 5u plus here v equal to 2. You got first equation. Next 6 into u minus 3v equal to 1. You got second equation. Then you know how to find the value of u and v by elimination method. Here 6, here 5. You can exchange, multiply its coefficient, or here 3v. Here can you give here 3? Yes, by multiplication. So first equation multiplied by 3, 5u into 3, that is 15u plus 3 into v, 3v equal to 3 into 2, 6. You got fourth equation. These two terms are same. So equation 4 and equation 2. How to eliminate minus 3v and plus 3v? By subtraction or by addition? It is same number and opposite sign. To eliminate opposite signs by addition. So equation 2 plus equation 4 or equation 4 plus equation 2, no problem. So equation 2 plus equation 4. First write equation 2. What is equation 2? 6u minus 3v equal to 1 plus equation 4, 15u plus 3v equal to 6 by addition. 6u plus 15u, that is 21u. Here 0. 6 plus 1, that is 7. Then what is u? U equal to 7 by 21. You can cancel 7 in 21. How many times? 3 times. So answer is u equal to 1 by 3. Divided by 3 means 1 by 3. Okay. Then how to find v? To find v, substitute u equal to 1 by 3 in equation. Which equation? 1, 2 or fourth equation. Any equation you can substitute. I am substituting the first equation. So first equation, 5u 1 by 3 plus v equal to 2. Okay. Then 5 into 1 by 3, that is 5 by 3 plus v equal to 2. Then what is v? V equal to 2 minus 5 by 3. Then cross multiply. 2 into 3, 6 minus 5, 1 divided by 3. Therefore, the value of u is 1 by 3 and the value of v is 1 by 3. What is our actual question? We have to find the value of x and y. So, just to substitute the value of y, substitute the value of u. What is u? You know, u is 1 by x minus 1. In the place of u, write 1 by x minus 1 equal to 1 by 3. Then simplify. Here also, you know, v, what is v? V equal to 1 by y minus 2. 1 by y minus 2 equal to 1 by 3. Then cross multiply. Very simple. 3 into 1, 3 equal to x minus 1. Then 3 plus 1, 3 plus 1 equal to x. Then 4 equal to x. You got x equal to 4. Here by cross multiplication, 3 equal to y minus 2 and 3 plus 2, that is 5 equal to y. Therefore, the value of x is 4 and the value of y is 5. Clear? Okay, next our question is solve 2 by root x plus 3 by root y equal to 2. Here 2 into 1 by root x plus 3 into 1 by root y equal to 2 and 4 into 1 by root x minus 9 into 1 by root y equal to minus 1. 1 by root x, 1 by root x, 1 by root y, 1 by root y. Then substitute 1 by root x by u and 1 by root y by v. Substitute 1 by root x equal to u and 1 by root y equal to v. Then 2u plus 3v equal to 2, you got first equation. Next 4u minus 9v equal to minus 1, you got second equation. Then simplify. How to simplify? How to find the solution of these two equations? By elimination method. Make any one term same. So here 4y, here 2y. Can you make it same? Yes, by multiplying by 2 or by multiplying by 3, here 9. So equation 1 into 2. What is equation 1 into 2? That is 4u plus 6v equal to 4. You got third equation. Then these two terms are equal. How to eliminate 4u and 4u? By addition or subtraction? By subtraction. Okay. So equation 3 minus equation 2 or equation 2 minus equation 3, large number minus small number. So equation 3 minus equation 2. First write equation 3, 4u plus 6v equal to 4. Next 4u minus 9v equal to minus 1. Subtraction, subtraction, subtraction. Ready? Very simple. 4u minus 4u, 0. 6v minus 9v, it will be positive. Then 15v equal to 4 minus minus 1, that is 4 plus 1, that is 5. What is v? v equal to 5 divided by 15. In 5 and 15 you can cancel 5 here 1 times, here 3 times, that is 1 by 3. You got v. Then how to find the value of u? Substituting. Substitute v equal to 1 by 3 in equation. You substitute any equation 1, 2, any equation. Simple equation is 1, so first equation. So 2u plus 3 into v, that is 1 by 3 equal to 2. You can cancel 3, 3. Then 2u plus 1 equal to 2. Then 2u equal to 2 minus 1, that is 1. Then u equal to 1 by 2. Therefore, u equal to 1 by 2 and v equal to 1 by 3. Ready? We know the value of u. What is u? That is 1 by root x. 1 by root x equal to 1 by 2 and 1 by root y equal to 1 by 3. How to find the value of x and y? By cross multiplication. Cross multiply. 2 into 1, 2 equal to root 3, root x into 1, root x. Here also cross multiply. 3 equal to root y. root x equal to 2, then what is the value of x by square? How to eliminate root? Square on both sides, square on both sides. So square of 2 is 4, square of root x is x. Here, how to find the value of y? To eliminate a root, just square on both sides. Square of 3 is 9, square of root y is y. Okay, clear? Here, 4 by x means 4 into 1 by x, 3y, okay, 3y equal to 14, and 3 by x means 3 into 1 by x minus 4y equal to 23. Here 1 by x, here 1 by x, okay. So substitute 1 by x equal to u, and here we have to substitute the value of y equal to v, no. Ready? Then 4u plus 3y equal to 14. You got first equation. Okay. Or you can substitute the value of y equal to v, no problem. Okay. Then next 3u plus minus 4y equal to 23. You got second equation. Then you can find the value of u and y by elimination method. How to eliminate? Here 3, here 4, 3, 4. By how to make these two terms are equal? Here 4, can you make here 4? No. Here 3, can you make here 3? No. By exchange multiplication. You can only make it same by exchange multiplication. So 3 multiplied here, 4 multiplied here. So 3 into 4, 3 into 4, 12 u, 3 into 3y, 9y, 3 into 14, 42. You got third equation. Next 4 multiplied here, 4 into 3, 12 u, minus 4 into 4, 16y, 4 into 23, 92. You got fourth equation. Then equation, these two equations subtracted. So subtracted. 12 cancel. 9y minus 16, that is 25y equal to 42, 50 minus 50. Then what is the answer? Y equal to minus 50 divided by 25. Answer is minus 2. Ready? Then how to find the value of u? How to find the value of u, or how to find the value of x? You can substitute y equal to minus 2 in this equation, or you can substitute in the first equation or second equation. Ready? So y equal to minus 2. Substitute in equation 1, 2, 3, 4. Any equation, you can substitute any equation and substitute in the first equation. So equation 1. When I substitute in the first equation, what is the answer? 4u plus 3 into minus 2, that is minus 6. Minus 6 equal to 14. Then 4u equal to 14 plus 6, that is 20. Then u equal to 20 divided by 4, that is 5. We know what is u? U is 1 by x. U is 1 by x. 1 by x equal to 5. By cross multiplication, x equal to 1 by 5. Very simple. Next, here, how to rewrite here? 1 by 2 into 1 by x plus 1 by 3 into 1 by y equal to 2, and 1 by 3 into 1 by x plus 1 by 2 into 1 by y equal to 13 divided by 6. 13 divided by 6. Then 1 by x you can substitute 1 by x equal to u and 1 by y equal to v. So 1 by 2 into u. What is 1 by 2 into u? 1 by 2 into u plus 1 by 3 into v equal to 2 and 1 by 3 into u plus 1 by 2 into v equal to 13 divided by 6. Then how to eliminate 2, 3? How to eliminate 2 and 3? By multiplying its LCM. What is LCM of 2 and 3? That is 6. So this is equation number 1. This is equation number 2. So equation number 1 into 6. That is into 6. Here into 6. Here into 6. What is the answer? 2 in 6 3 times. So 3u plus here 2 times 2v equal to 2 into 6 12. You got third equation. Next here 3 and divide by 3 divide by 2. How to cancel divide by 3 and divide by 2? By multiplying by a number. Which number multiply its LCM? 3 and 2 its LCM is 6. So into 6 into 6 into 6 into 6. So equation 2 into 6. What is the answer? 3 you can cancel in 6 2 times to 2u plus 3v equal to 6 cancel 13. You got fourth equation. Then you can find the value of u and v by elimination method. Do yourself. Okay. Next here. It is very complicated. X, y all divided by xy and 8x plus 7y all divided by xy. So here you have to divide xy all terms. So 7x minus 2y all divided by xy. So these two terms divided by xy. So 7x divided by xy minus 2y divided by xy equal to 5. And here 8x divided by xy plus 7y divided by xy equal to 15. Here you can cancel x. So answer is 7 by y minus y cancel 2 by x equal to 5. And x cancel. So 8 by y plus 7 by x equal to 15. Then how to rewrite here? 7 by y means 7 into 1 by y minus 2 into 1 by x equal to 5 and 8 into 1 by y plus 7 into 1 by x equal to 15. Here you can substitute 1 by x and 1 by y by u and v. So substitute 1 by y equal to u, or you can substitute v, and 1 by x equal to v. So 7u minus 2v equal to 5, first equation. 8u plus 7v equal to 15. You got second equation. Then simplify and find yourself its value of x and y. These are the main questions, and on the next video we will discuss its application level question, word problems, upstream, downstream, speed, velocity. Ready? Thank you.